Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. It's a wonderful day today. We're going to do something a little bit different. It's my husband's birthday and he loves cherry pie. Well, we're not doing cherry pie today. I'm going to do cherry and peach empanadas. We hope everybody's doing wonderful today. Of course, we're still down here in the desert. In about a month, we'll be heading home. Anyway, what I've done ahead of time today is I've made out my pie crust, and I do a richer pie crust. Instead of using Crisco, I use butter. And I've already done up some. We're going to do these. I like to put a little bit of flour on waxed paper and then put my dough. And I chilled this dough because of the butter, and it just helps it to roll out a little bit better. And of course, if you ladies don't want to make your own pie crust, you can always cheat and buy Pillsbury's, which I have had that at friends' homes, and it is pretty tasty also. I hope everybody's doing well today. Just remember us, and we hope you like this. And please subscribe. And as you're rolling this out, you want to get it into about a round circle. Probably about a 6-inch round. And you want it not real thin, but fairly thin. Putting a little bit of flour and waxed paper just kind of helps with the mess and helps them to roll out better. Okay, that looks pretty good. Of course, the trick is to make sure you get enough flour on your dough so it doesn't stick. And you just kind of peel that off. Of course, I have my favorite cherry pie filling. Kind of put that kind of in the middle. And then you roll this over. As you can see. And then you roll your edges over and kind of crimp them. You don't want to get too much cherry pie filling in here, then it'll ooze out and then you've got a mess going on. All right, there's that for that one. Here's the other ones that I have done ahead of time. And then we're going to take these out and cook them in our Dutch oven. And what I like to do is brush the tops with a little bit of cream and then sprinkle them with a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. Now I'm going to brush the tops of these with some cream. You can brush them with butter, but really cream really does work really good because it does help brown them. Boy, aren't these cute? I think this is going to be funner than a cherry pie. Plus, if you don't eat all of these, what's really good is you can wrap them up and freeze them for something later. Somebody stops by and you need a quick little dessert. This works great. And then you don't have to do this. You can just sprinkle it with sugar if you want, but this kind of makes them prettier. Sprinkle them with a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. And there we go. So we'll see you outside here in a little bit and we'll show you how we're baking these and how long it's going to take. And they should be excellent. Okay, just remember if you like this video to please subscribe and tell all of your family and friends. Just press the like button. And as you know, we'll be having a recipe book coming out and a free guide. So we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes to get these golden brown. You always need to make sure on something like this, you need to have more heat on top and then on the bottom. Oh my goodness, they're absolutely perfect. The only thing we need is some vanilla bean ice cream. Tillamook vanilla bean ice cream is the best. All right, we'll see you inside. Thank you. All right, here we are. We finally got our cherry and peach empanadas done. We did discover when you're baking something like this, it's similar to a pie, that you do need to put more heat on the top and less on the bottom. And it did take about 45 minutes to make this golden brown. And it's important to keep checking your briquettes. You want the temperature about 350. And we hope that all of you enjoyed our day with us today. Please subscribe. Please tell all of your family and friends about our channel and our wonderful recipes. And please leave a comment, subscribe to our channel. Salute to all of our family and friends. We hope you have a wonderful day. We certainly are. And happy birthday to my husband. And of course, I'm going to take a bite for him. This is Cherry, his best. And of course, he likes ice cream, so on his later, we will put some vanilla ice cream on top. Here you go. Oh my, excellent. I do an excellent job on pie crust because my mother helped me. Goodbye to all. Have a wonderful evening.